Hello everybody, I'm Sadie Zabawa, the Youth Services Librarian at the Weaver Bolden branch of the Tuscaloosa Public Library. I invited some of my buggy friends into the library today for our first virtual story time of Bama Bug Fest 2020. In this book, you're going to meet a lot of different bugs that you could find in your backyard or on a walk in the woods or if you turned over a log to see what's underneath. Our book is called Some Bugs, and it's by Angela Diterlizzi and illustrated by Brendan Wetzel. And I'm reading it today with the permission of Simon & Schuster. Some bugs. Some bugs sting. Some bugs bite. Some bugs stink. And some bugs fight. Some bugs flutter, and some bugs crawl. Some bugs curl up in a ball. Some bugs hop, some bugs glide, some bugs swim, and some bugs hide. You have to look really close at the picture to see our camouflaged bugs. Some bugs click, some bugs sing. Some bugs do a buzzing thing. Some bugs build, some bugs make, some bugs hunt. That bug is being hunted. And some bugs take. Stinging, biting, stinking, fighting, hopping, gliding, swimming, hiding, building, making, hunting, taking, bugs are oh so fascinating. So kneel down close, look very hard, and find some bugs in your backyard. And here is a page of all the bugs that were in the book with their names. So if you want to pause this page, you can learn some more about our bugs. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story. If you stick around, we're going to be making a craft where you can build your own bug, and it's going to be so fun. So I hope you'll join us. Thanks for coming to Storytime. Bye.